Okay, we're going to assemble the lasagna dish, and we got hamburger already cooked with the onions, and we got the cauliflower. We cooked it in the microwave for about, I think about 4 or 5 minutes, and anyway, it wasn't frozen, and now we've got it ready to put in here. Then we're going to cook it in a preheated oven for 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes, and depends on your oven.
What else you got? What kind of cheeses do you have?
We've got parmesan and mozzarella going in today.
And how much you got?
We got a cup of the mozzarella, and we've got about a half a cup of the parmesan is what we're gonna put in here.
And how much pasta sauce you got?
And we're gonna do it's about a cup of pasta sauce.
Okay.
I feel like I'm on a quiz show.
Okay, now you're putting 1 layer of ground beef.
And that took about 2/3 of the. Okay, then we're gonna put the sauce in, or half the sauce in here. Roughly half. Then I'm gonna spread this around. Just spread it out. Try to catch all your corners. This is where a lot of your flavor is going to go in right here.
And your sauce is pre-cooked with what, Italian seasoning?
We put a little bit of Italian seasoning in the ground beef.
In the ground beef.
And we also put just a touch of black pepper. Then the cauliflower, we're just gonna put it all in here.
Now the cauliflower is acting like what, lasagna noodles?
This is a substitute for the noodles in lasagna. And we shall see how it turns out. This is another first for us. We're just full of firsts these days.
But it's low carb.
But we're low carbon, and we're hoping it's going to taste delicious. Okay, after this round of do I go back with the sauce now?
Try your cheese.
Cheese, okay. I'm learning too, guys. We're going to do about half the cheese and just spread it around. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, this is why it's fun to cook with somebody.
And this is about half of the Parmesan cheese also. So hope everybody's doing good today. We've had just a little shower of rain, just enough to almost wet our deck, but anyways, we really need a lot more, but when God brings it, we will be happy to receive it.
And we have a challenge today. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers, and we'd love for everybody to subscribe, share, and help us get that golden number.
Hey, when you reach for the stars, sometimes it provides, right?
That's
okay,
right.
We got the top layer of ground beef is not going to be enough to cover it, but we got plenty, excuse me, I dropped my spoon. Some folks say there's a woman coming when you drop a spoon. We'll see. That's an old wives' tale. Now, we're going to go with the sauce again.
Now, do you need more sauce?
You know what? If
You want some more sauce? All right. Let me
a
go
little
get
bit.
some more sauce.
No, I'm just going to.
Okay, so you used a cup of sauce, so it wasn't quite enough, so you're going to go back and put another half a cup of sauce in it?
I think about a half a cup. I'm just spooning it out here and getting it.
Looks delicious.
Trying to put it. I think that's enough, don't you?
Need some on this corner right here. You want to pour it out?
See, folks, I'm telling you.
Hey, if I want sauce, I want it all over.
I'm telling you, folks.
Yeah, isn't he lucky?
I'm the instructee, and I got an instructor right here.
And after all these years, he should be used to it.
Huh.
Oh.
Okay, once we get the sauce on here, then I'm going to go back with the mozzarella cheese and spread it around.
And I've got more if you need it.
I don't need any more, I don't think. I think we just kind of get it, spread it as much as you can. Then we'll go with the Parmesan. And take the Parmesan and put it kind of to cover where the mozzarella didn't. And I think that'll be just fine.
Looks delicious.
Now, there is our finished product. Now, we're just going to cook it.
Okay, so to the oven you go. Okay, Bert.
Hey guys,
Wait a minute.
we're back. And we've got our lasagna cooked. It's low carb. It looks delicious. This is going to be lunch.
There it is right there.
And what we're going to do is just do a small taste test. So, just a quick recap. This is a low carb lasagna with hamburger, cauliflower, and we got Parmesan and mozzarella cheese, and then a low carb pasta sauce, and it's all layered in. So now it's time to give it a taste test.
So I want to take a picture of you when you're scooping it out because it looks so good.
Okay, now this gives you
Okay.
and the cauliflower actually just gives it it is a substitute for the noodles. So you can see it looks like it's got noodles there.
Okay, guys. Well, we just finished cooking the lasagna, the low-carb lasagna. And Bert was showing you what it looked like on the plate. But we had technical difficulties, so we're going to finish it and tell you how it really went. We tried it, we tasted it, and it was...
It's very, very good. I would highly recommend you guys trying this. It's low carb and it's very delicious. Okay.
So try it and let us know what you think. And while you're at it, how about subscribe, share, and like our channel. And as always, God loves you,
and so do we. We'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.